Kiev suffered tremendous and painful losses after Russian massive counter-offensive into the rear of Ukrainian territories, and in particular at least a series of explosions occurred in recent days, including in Dnipropetrovsk and Poltava. On July 4, 2024, the Russian Ministry of Defense released footage of the attack unusually in the aircraft parking area at Dolzhentsevo Airport in Kryvyi Rog, Dnipropetrovsk region. The tactical missile Iskander again arrived at the same attack site some time ago, at the base of the Air Force of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. According to preliminary data, due to the work of Iskander, Ukraine counted the loss of a MiG-29 fighter, aviation weapons, and aviation engineering service vehicles were destroyed. Up to 15 officers were eliminated. In the same region, images of Russian joint attack with missiles and drones hitting the main enterprise of Ukrainian defense industry, Yuzhmash, and its surroundings in Dnipropetrovsk on the morning of July 3. As usual, Ukrainian air defense system did not work on the field when a missile entering with precision and blew up the factory, which produces unmanned aerial vehicles, rocket-launched vehicles, and liquid fuel missiles. According to local residents' reports, several explosions were heard at the factory site after a joint attack on the factory, including NATO experts who took part there. Ukraine is certainly counting its losses due to the attack. On that day in Poltava region, the Russian armed forces also carried out a missile attack, which hit the Mirgorod air base. According to intelligence data, one Mi-24 helicopter was destroyed at the local airport, and 4 other automotive equipment was damaged by a Iskander-M cluster missile system, which had visited the place several times. Up to 20 specialists including engineers, technicians and pilots were removed. In addition, the Russian armed forces destroyed workshops of a company producing tank, weapons and large-caliber ammunition in the last 24 hours in Poltava. Yesterday, Poltava authorities said there had been an attack on an object in the region, and tanks containing fuel sent for the needs of several large groups of the armed forces of Ukraine were hit by a missile attack on July 3. Russian X-59 missile hit its target, destroying a pumping station and setting fire to a pipe alongside one of the tanks. Currently, the tanks are still burning, and this was confirmed by the Ministry of Energy of Ukraine. The main aim of the attack was to eliminate the capabilities of Ukrainian forces, which were attempting to launch attacks into Russian territory, Russian military reported.